All right, I'm back. All right, I'm sorry about this. I'm already 20 minutes into this, but yeah, I'll buy it, and I usually have my algorithm running. Uh, it looks a little messy. This is my algorithm for MLM. Uh, you know, actually, this bought it again, bought some more. You know, made the run. Kind of looked like it wanted to go higher, but then Yellen comes out, opens her trap, and this thing, once these things start breaking the low of the day, I mean, it's tough to can hold these into tactically. Uh, Bought it back before the end of the day, sold some of it, uh, so still have a little bit there, but you know, but I'm not taking much risk. I mean, when I buy these tactical longs setups, I mean, I'm taking maybe, depending on the volatility of the stock, on something like this MLM at $125 or whatever, I may be risking a quarter point. That's just, I've learned the hard way that's uh, usually when one of these positions is really good, it never looks back. It doesn't, should not exit. Uh, it shouldn't go lower than the buy level. So that's going to be basically my plan on some of these setups. If they do take them out, so like I said, WWW is definitely one of them. Uh, NXPI, and then there's another one. I'm going to switch to this chart here. Again, it's a little bit cleaner. It doesn't have any shit on it. ANIK, this is a little bit of a thin stock, relatively, not that new, but uh, definitely has come from zero to the level that it's at. Uh, had this big up gap, kind of ran all the way above 50, came in, really pulled back in, but now it's sort of a little messy, but it's holding up in in this range. So if it really gets above that 45 level, may have it try another run up into high 40s, maybe 50. So something I'll keep an eye on. Uh, Again, not the best type of setup, but BBY, Best Buy. Uh, we had this big up gap which got faded, and then it's just holding in this. Now it's just holding in this range. Really, if it can get above this 2631 level, it may try another move to reclaim some of that ground that it lost on that day. But really, not too much more, to do, man. Other than that, that's all I really have. I don't have too much else. The market's right now bounded, and I'm not going to make any real. I'll try to position by buying. Right now, if I want to play this S&P, I'd say, hey, I'm going to buy above this level on the ETF. I'm going to buy above like 188, and then I'll sell or short. I'd probably even do that if we get below today's low, then we're probably going to break down here. We're probably going to go to the 50-day, and then we might even go lower uh, if they do that. So a key tell is going to be how the market holds up overnight. It's already starting to leak a little bit. I mean, we're down a point in the S&P, but uh, if this starts, if we're down more than 5 points in the, 5, 6 points tomorrow, yeah, that's probably the tell that what, we're gonna start. There's gonna be some pain if you're long stocks. So we'll see how that works out. Uh, Anyway, that's all I got. Sorry that it ran so long. I just wanted to run down a few stocks, a few things that look interesting, and that's it, man. So I will, anything special you want me to go over, just email me and I'll go over it. All right, take care.